Okay, let's start jumping into some components. Now, we're going to use a technique called primitives in the pips design system. We're going to create a primitive which we're going to call a pip, hence the pips design system. Now, a primitive is a component which acts as a template for other components, and we're going to see how that works as we build out our design system. So let's just jump in and build our primitive. So let's create a component unstyled as our template. Now let's put some text in. This is our standard body text that we defined earlier, right? We're going to wrap that in a frame because we want to add an auto layout to it. We're not going to use a gap at the moment, but we do want to add some padding with our spacing system. Let's just put 8 for now, both sides. So now we have a frame. Oh, this one's left over. I'll delete that one. A frame, and I'm going to call this pip because we're going to convert it into a component, which is going to be called pip. So this is already a component. It only has text inside and some padding, but it's a valid component. Now, there's one issue we have to fix, and that is we haven't set a good token, a variable, for our text color. If we wanted to select a text color, we'd have to choose something like gray 10, but this is a bad practice, right? We're supposed to be using our named palette. So if we want to build this correctly, we need to add a new color token. So we can do that by adding a new variable as we did previously. In color, we're going to add a color token. We're going to call it color text. Well, we can just leave it as color text for now. So this is generally the text color. Now we have to link that, and we're going to link it to our gray 10. So now we have a color token, a variable called color text. And that's the one we should be using here. So let's select our token now, color text. Now, this is a component. It uses our spacing tokens, it uses our color tokens, and it uses our typography tokens. So we have a basic template here. Now we can start building with this, and that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to come back and we're going to enhance this primitive, and we're going to see how enhancing this primitive will automatically enhance the components we build with it. So let's jump out of this for now with this basic primitive, get onto some more known components like buttons and inputs based on this primitive, and then we're going to come back to this later on. We're going to enhance it, and that's going to automatically enhance some of our atomic components such as button and input automatically. All right, let's get to it.